Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the RingGo parking payment app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. RingGo is a parking payment app designed to let drivers pay for parking without relying on physical meters or cash. Available across thousands of locations in the UK and select regions in Europe, the app offers a fast, digital way to start, extend, and manage parking sessions directly from your phone. It also stores your vehicle details, provides reminders before your session expires, and supports digital receipts for easier expense tracking. The app's main feature is its simple cashless parking system. You choose your location, enter your vehicle information, select the duration, and pay instantly. RingGo also allows you to extend parking remotely, ensuring you do not have to return to the car park if plans change. Features like business accounts, multi-vehicle management, and VAT receipts add extra utility for frequent drivers and professionals. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, widespread availability, and the ability to avoid queues at pay and display machines. Real-time reminders and quick extension options are particularly useful for busy urban areas. Users also note that the interface is generally easy to navigate, making it simple to manage parking even in unfamiliar locations. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional issues with location codes not loading correctly or delays in app responsiveness during peak times. A small service fee may apply depending on the area, which some users find inconvenient. Additionally, the app requires stable mobile data, which can be a limitation in low-coverage zones. In summary, the RingGo app may be worth using if you want a fast, cashless, and convenient way to manage parking across a large network of supported locations. However, if you frequently park in areas with poor signal or prefer meter-based payments without service fees, it might not be the ideal choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.